In 1 month, we recovered everything that we had been spending and investing on all that data, and then some, of course. Like, we're getting high ROI on that. In just 1 month,
So 1 month.
1 month
1
turned
month.
everything around.
Jorge, what is your preferred platform for building lists? Tell me.
Oh, for building a list, I would say ManyChat is definitely good because you can build 1, 2, 3 lists at a time, because you do Messenger subscriber, you do an email, and you can capture the phone number all at the same time. So you're building 3 lists in one, and it's going to cost you about the same as if you were just going to convert an email to like a landing page, or to a ClickFunnels page or something like that. And it's Messenger, and you can conversate with them a little bit better in an easier, more engaging way. So people like that a lot more.
So ManyChat, guys, if any of you guys have not jumped on the ManyChat wave, it is an incredible platform. I'm a big fan of it. You might
right now, right now you get free text and emails, right, till the end of the year.
Text and emails. I think you have to have a professional account, which is $10 a month, and then you get the ability to start building this out. And I do have a lot of information on how to use the platform, and there's a lot of information out there. So you definitely can check that out. ManyChat. If you guys want to sign up, if you go for my link, you just basically give me some love. ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat. ManuelSuarez.com/ManyChat. ManyChat. I'm a big fan of the platform because of the simplicity of it. Jorge and I started building ManyChat conversations when it was just Facebook Messenger, and right now it's a lot more than that. It's email marketing, it's text messaging, it's Facebook Messenger, all of it in one single platform. And they're getting better and better because they're launching, for example, a beta right now to do Instagram direct messaging. So you can actually have that as part of the conversation and the flow in it. Send messages to people on Instagram, receive messages from them. And also WhatsApp beta, it's launching. For those of you guys that are outside the country, outside the USA, in most of the world, which WhatsApp is bigger than Messenger in general, they're also launching a WhatsApp beta program that is going to allow you. So imagine that. One single platform to engage with people on email, on text, on Facebook Messenger, on Instagram direct messaging, and WhatsApp. And I think they have other things in the pipeline already, so you guys can take a look at that. So there's a lot of training, and again, the learning curve with ManyChat is not really that big if you take it one step at a time and just get started with it. You connect your Facebook page, you can bring in your list, you can import text messages, you can import emails, you can start building your conversations there right away. So it's very simple. And now you have to start doing content on social media that invites people to come into your resources, to download a freebie. What are your favorite lead magnet tools, Jorge? What would you recommend them?
Lead magnet tools or lead magnets like ideas? Because I have a lot of different lead magnets ideas that you could do, like give a free PDF, a free cheat sheet. Basically think about something that's going to make your customer's life easier and something that they really want, or they would even pay for, that you can give away for free. And that, you'll get really good results with that. But if you want, let's say you want to give away a free ebook, and you're like, I don't know how to write a book, or how am I going to do that? There's a really good website that we recommend all the time. It's called the PLR for private label rights, theplrstore.com. And there's all kinds of ideas in there that you could just basically purchase for $3 to maybe $10. You have the rights to that book, and now you can give it away. You can sell it. You can do whatever you want with that. So there's an easy idea. You can also just use Fiverr.com. There's a lot of different solutions out there to be able to create these PDFs. But just use something that it's going to be your magnet to bring people in. There's something valuable.
Yeah, because now you can actually go ahead and create a PDF of sorts. For example, 5 easy steps to go organic on a budget. I'm just making things up. If you're a marketer, you can talk about how to do simple Facebook ads in 5 steps. You can figure out something. You have to get creative, and you can put something together, or you can have somebody else do it for you. It's going to cost you about $20 to have somebody else do it for you. If you go to plrstore.com, you can have a PDF that you can brand it and put your logo on it, and then you can go to ManyChat and you can attach that PDF, and now you can create a Facebook ad and say, hey, would you like to get access to my 5-step sequence on how to go organic on a budget without having to break the bank? Oh,
And if you're somebody you're somebody that already has a lot of content, then you can just use that content, create some mystery around it, and then give it away as a lead magnet. So let's say Manuel has a lot of videos out there. We could, and we have done this on some of our ads. We say, hey, you want to know the number one way to, let's say, grow your ManyChat or something like that, and we have a YouTube video. You just deliver that inside ManyChat, for example, or you capture their email and you email them the link to the video. Or you can use somebody else's content. If you really don't want to make any content, then just use somebody else's video that is valuable and you just share it with them. Just,
Right.
anything you can use as a magnet that's valuable to grow your list.
So the main thing that you need to have is what we talked about for the first half an hour of today's interview, which is a burning desire and a passion to succeed. If you don't have that in place, nothing else matters. I cannot teach you anything that's going to change that. If you don't have that in place, whatever I talk about or Jorge talks about, it's completely impractical. It's not going to help you. But if you have that burning desire, if you have a passion to succeed, then you can look at this data and figure out what to do.